struggling with the seatbelt. Cannot find the salt. The thing is,
this pillow is actually quite nice.
yeah. But the car is really a bit tight. Nah, sini.
You're quite lucky for the place.
Yeah. So we are leaving Portree. Gonna head to Old Man of Store. I'll go through here. So it took us half an hour to get ready. Oh, seagulls. Nah, this one is seagull. That one. So big. You can in the donut first if you want.
Yesterday the car one is 170, is it?
What's that, sorry?
The soba noodle.
Yeah, correct.
Then the packet one is 120, is it?
Yeah. Well, we started the bottle.
Oh, you see this bottle?
Yeah, my shoe also right now. You see? I think the video is gonna pick it up quite clearly as well. Yesterday, start the car like 2 times like that.
Is it?
Yeah, like two or 3 times. So my range left now is like 433 miles. But still showing full tank.
So it's not that bad, right?
No, nah, yeah, it's not that bad. Portree campsite, fully booked.
So how long you sleep yesterday?
I didn't wear my watch, so I'm not sure.
I slept 3 hours only.
I don't think so.
No, I think the second half I slept 3 hours, which is from 3 to 6.
I see.
Then I was sleeping from 11 to 3.
Yeah. Nah, stuff in.
Yeah, so the sleep is actually alright for this 2 days.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at the road there. It's like very tight. That's what I read online as well. Whoa. See, they have those cutouts. Quite a few of them. For people to like, yeah, pass each other. when we went to Cairngorms the time?
Very quick one. Not really,
But it wasn't very near, is it?
Yeah, it wasn't very near.
So if I'm not mistaken, right, that mountain that is covered by the fog right now is actually Old Man of Store.
Oh.
This one, yeah. Wow, the road. Wow, look at the view.
Oh.
Look at the water.
Yeah. It's like
Think-
so low.
I think it's because of the wind
Yeah.
or something here. Quite strong wind actually last night.
Is it?
Yeah, because I mean the trees outside the cars. So tight at the road.
Yeah, actually. So we are passing by this lake called Loch Lytton. Loch Lytton Lake.
Loch
We
Lytton.
passed by the what already? Loch Fada. Okay, so this Loch Fada, which is safe.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's safe, but I don't remember why I saved this place though. And I didn't see any place to stop also. But we're almost there. Another 3 minutes to that. Wow, I don't think we'll be able to see Old Man of Store from that point. You look at the fog.
Oh yeah. Wow, here. Oh god.
Got what? All this
Was landslide.
Oh, landslide warning.
2.0 rating this thing.
Why is it like that? No, put it behind your seat. Oh, there's a small little waterfall there. Up there. Nah, this one, this you can film. You see? Jalan Okay. There people just stop at all this. So this is one of the stops that I put on the map as well.
Yeah, but is it nothing right here? So we didn't really stop.
Yeah, I mean luckily we stopped where we stopped last time as well.
Yeah, let's say we don't have like.
Then another stop is here. There's like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to the last one. Hopefully it's not full. And one. This is another one. Nah, this one is a bigger one. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think we can see anything. You can see it. You are supposed to see it now. Actually, almost store.
Still direction.
There, it's coming up. Wow, people set up 10 year.
This thing. That's it.
Wow, you just came like that. Let's take a look. Let me go out and film. Let my viewers see. So, for those who don't know, this is actually the Owl Sky that we're at right now. This is the car that I was driving. XE diesel 6-speed manual. Oh yeah. So this place that I'm at is actually Old Man of Store. We're supposed to see it. I think it's around there, if I'm not mistaken. Well, because the fog. I mean, it's my first time here, so. And it's a very foggy morning. Maybe we'll catch it later when we're on the way back. XE. Very tight car.